Hello Gun Nation, Big Johnson coming at you. Hey, we're going to be shooting the SIG SAUER 1911 We the People. And what I've got in here is I have a round nose, an HST. I'll just show you here. I've got them staggered. So there's the round nose, there's the HST, and it just goes just like that. They're all 230 grains. So that's the way I did it. I was actually showing it, and then my phone rang. Anyway, that's what we're going to do. I'm going to send it to about 10 yards. And this is a Wilson mag. And we're going to see what I can do with it. So we're going to start off with a ball, then HST, ball, HST, ball, HST, etc. for 10 rounds. So see how I do with it. I've noticed holding it, the grips feel a little thin. But, you know, that's also my hands too, so that's to about 10 yards. Been a really long time since I started 1911, so we'll see how we do with it. But, and all I've really done is cleaned and lubed it. So, and I've shot about, I don't know, 5 or 6 rounds of ball through it so far, and I was actually pulling them a little low and left. You know, I'm not a tack driver guy, but you know, we'll see what we do with it. So thanks for watching. Well, they fed HST, round nose. I could feel the pop from the HST, so there's definitely a difference between the HST and the ball. But I think I did pretty good. But pulled a little of them low, a little high, or excuse me, a little right there, and then just a tad low. But everything's on the plate. That flyer and that one was already there. So there was one under the plate that was already there. So you can see that. And that was already there. So that wasn't this round. But not bad there. You know, there's my thumb. So that's not bad. But I did pull 4 of them. Looks like 4 or 5 low. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there's all 10 of them. So there's 2 right there. So there's that one, there's that one. So not too bad. But like I said, it's been a long time since I've shot a 1911. And the grips are kind of small. But anyway, there you go. I think that's well, I shot 6 rounds, just testing it to make sure it was going to fire. And then that's kind of the second mag, I guess you could say, out of it. But so far, really liking the pistol, and it does shoot. So far, it shoots round nose and it shoots hollow point. So that's always a plus. But I appreciate y'all so much. Remember, an unarmed nation, a weak nation. We all got to carry on.